Once upon a time, in the bustling town of Gigglewick, nestled beside the whispering willows and the giggling river, lived a curious little rain droplet named Dewy. Dewy wasn't like the other raindrops. While they loved splashing in puddles, racing down drain pipes, and creating miniature waterfalls off rooftops, Dewy often felt a peculiar sensation, a tiny, shimmering, almost itchy feeling he couldn't quite name. His best friend, a fluffy, wise cloud named Nimbus, with a booming laugh that sounded like distant thunder, simply called it a drop of boredom. One particularly sunny morning, with not a single cloud in sight and the air feeling thick with stillness, Dewy sighed, a tiny vapor puff escaping him. "Nimbus," he whined, clinging to a particularly dull blade of grass, "I'm so bored. There's nothing new to do. Every day feels the same. Splash, drift, evaporate, repeat. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye."